Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So if you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification. Right now, here in this video, we will solve the chapter number 7, coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, the sixth main, the second and the third question. Already we have solved the first question, so we will solve the second and third question. Now the question is, name the type of quadrilateral form, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. Now how to solve this? As usual, how you have solved the last problem, the same method you need to use. Now we will solve the second one, right? So the second one is the coordinate points they have given, -3, 5 and 3, 1, 0, 3 and -1, -4. So you need to find which type of a quadrilateral is this, and you need to give a reason. So how will you solve? Again, the same step you need to follow how you have solved the last problem. So just write down one of the quadrilateral, just write down just roughly. So and will call this as ABCD. Now as usual, find the distance between AB and BC and CD and also AD, and also find the distance between the diagonals A to C and BD. Afterwards you can identify which type of quadrilateral is this, right? Now let A of -3, 5 and B of 3, 1 and C of 0, 3 and D of -1, -4 are the points, right? So now find the distance between AB first. So for AB, so what are the coordinate points of A and B? So A is equals to, A of -3, 5 and B of 3, 1. As usual, this is bracket, children. So as usual, write down x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Now apply the distance formula. So AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now you have the values, right? Just apply this. Square root of, now what is x2 here? X2 is nothing but 3. Here minus is there, so minus, what is x1? X1 is -3, so therefore minus of -3 whole square plus, what is y2? Y2 is 1 minus, what is y1? 5 whole square. Let me say again, x2 is 3 minus x1 is -3, so therefore minus of -3 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is 5 whole square. Now simplify this. Therefore AB is equals to square root of, so you need to open the bracket, so therefore keep the 3 as it is, minus into minus is plus 3 whole square, right? Plus subtract 1 minus 5 is 4. Sign of a biggest number you need to write, so biggest number is 5, sign is minus, so therefore minus 4 whole square. So therefore square root of, so 3 plus 3 is 6 square plus any minus square will be plus, so therefore minus 4 square is 16, right? So therefore 6 square is square root of 36 plus 16, right? Now AB is equals to square root of, so add it, so 36 plus 16 is 52, right? So 52, square root of 52 units. This is the distance between AB. Now find the distance between BC, afterwards CD, afterwards AD, and just after finding the values, sides value, you can say, or you can identify which type of quadrilateral is this, right children? Now find the distance between B to C, right? So for B to C, nothing but BC, right? So what are the coordinate points? So B of 3 comma 1 and C of 0 comma 3, right? So find the distance between B to C. So square, what is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? This is y2, right? Now as usual, write down the first one as x1 y1 and the second one as x2 y2, right? Now apply here. Therefore square root of, apply here, what is x2? X2 is 0 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus what is y2? Y2 is 3 minus y1 is 1 whole square, right? Now simplify this. That's equals to, you're finding the distance between BC. So therefore I'll write BC. BC is equals to square root of 0 minus 3 is nothing but minus 3 square plus 3 minus 1 is 2 square, right? So therefore square root of, so minus 3 square is nothing but 3 minus 3, any minus square will be plus, so therefore minus 3 square is plus 9 plus 2 square is 4. So therefore the answer is root 13 units, right children? So now you have found the distance between here B to C. Now find the distance between C to D, right? So now for CD, right? So what are the coordinate points? C of 0 comma 3 and D of minus 1 comma minus 4. Now as usual write down x1 y1 x2 y2, right? So we are finding the distance between CD, right? So therefore CD is equals to square root of, so I'll apply the values directly children, right? I'll apply the value directly. Now what is x2 children? X2 is minus 1, so minus, what is x1? It's 0 whole square plus what is y2? Y2 is minus 4, so minus what is y1? Minus 3 whole square. So now simplify this, square root of, so minus into minus is plus 1 plus 0 is nothing but it's minus 1 plus minus into minus is plus, you need to add, so therefore add, so 4 plus 3 is 7, also sign of a biggest number is minus, so therefore minus 7, so sorry, it's minus 1 square, now it's minus 7 square, right? So therefore CD is equals to square root of, so minus 1 square is nothing but 1 plus, so any minus square will be plus, so therefore plus 1, so minus 7 square is minus 7 square is 49, it's plus 49, so therefore root 1 plus 49 is root 50, right? So root 50 units. So this is the distance between CD. Now find the distance between D to A. Afterwards you can identify whether it's a which type of quadrilateral is this, right children? Now find the distance between D to A. So now find the distance between D to A. So therefore for DA, so what are the coordinate points of DA? D and A. So D of minus 1 comma minus 4 and A of minus 3 comma 5, right? Now write down the formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, children, right? As usual write down the first one as x1 y1 and the second one as x2 y2. Now apply these values here. So square root of, what is x2 children? X2 is minus 3, minus is there, so minus, so what is x1? Minus 1, so therefore minus of minus 1 whole square plus what is y2? Y2 is 5 minus what is y1? Y1 is minus 4, so therefore minus of minus 4 whole square, right? Now simplify this. Square root of that's equals to square root of, so you need to open the bracket, so keep the minus 3 as it is. Minus into minus is plus 1 whole square, plus again the same thing here also, keep the 5 as it is. Minus into minus is plus 4 whole square, right? That's equals to square root of, so minus into plus is minus, so you need to subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2, so and also sign of a biggest number is minus 2 square, plus, and here also 5 plus 4 is 9, so therefore it's 9 square, right children? So now simplify this. So therefore we're finding the distance between dA, so therefore dA is equals to square root of minus 2 square is 4, any minus square will be plus, so therefore minus 2 square is plus 4, so plus 9 square is 81, so therefore square root of 85 units, right children? So this is the distance between D to A. Now we got the values of the sides, all sides AB, BC, CD and DA. So what are the values we got children? So first we got AB as root 52 units and BC as root 13 units and CD is equals to root 50 units. And now we have found the value dA. dA is how much? dA is root 85 units. Now just observe here children, all the values are different here. So AB is root 52 units, BC is equals to root 13 units and CD is equals to root 15 units, DA is equals to root 85 units. So therefore I can write like this now, AB is not equals to, BC is not equals to, CD is not equals to DA, right? So here all the sides values are different, so therefore AB is not equals to, BC is not equals to, CD is not equals to DA. So what is the meaning of ABCD is not a quadrilateral, hence quadrilateral ABCD is not possible, right? Thank you.